Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. A quick overview for the all-time history for FET before we dive inside the micro level to check what do we have here. So basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can be of course also an ABC there as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC finished the wave W. And very likely that we are in a W here, and that because of course of the wave Y in 3 waves over there. Meaning 3 waves finished for wave A here as an A, and we're looking for wave B there. Very complex structure, wave B. And after this wave B, of course, in 3 ways that it has to be finished as well. We're looking for 5 waves up as an impulse to finish a wave C. Now basically this wave A, B and a C is unfolding as 3 ways down, triangle of course for wave B, or an X of course, but very likely to be an ABC here, since we have a clean impulse somehow as a 1, 2, 3 and then wave 4, and wave 5 is opening toward the downside here to finishing of course the wave C. And then of course we need the time. Don't forget the FIP time is a very essential here, at least the minimum requirement 0.618 to finish up of course this trend, and then pushing toward the upside of course in a bull run. Once we take of course this trigger for a bull run of course, meaning the wick for FET, taking a wave 5 and then finishing the wave B and then starting a push toward the upside. So the possibility to finish up here, a wave C, you need of course 5 waves. The first possibility can be a 1, 2 and then 3, 4 and a 5 diagonal, which I doubt it a little bit, of course, because something is truncated here. What I believe is we have 1, 2, 3, wave 4, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the downside here to finish a wave C. In a wave Y, if you are in W, X, and a Y, you are in an A, B, and a C. The wave C also is the same push impulse toward the downside here, and you're still looking as well for the wave 5. So both case scenarios required of course a finished structure here as an impulse wave 5, or wave C of course in an ABC for a wave Y. Okay, so let's dive inside it on the 1 hour chart here for FET, or I would say, yeah, okay, let's put it at 2 hours because the 1 hour is somehow choppy for FET. So 2 hours chart here, we still of course looking at our following count here, which it can be the diagonal, of course the diagonal where you have a potential W, 3 waves, an X and a wave Y, can be of course an ABC there. ABC meaning zigzag, of course, finishing at 1 to 1 FIB level, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, of course, to finish, and potentially can dive deeper as well inside this box, which is, of course, another possibility that it can be here for the impulse, as we mentioned as well. A 1, 2, 3 finish there, and this is your wave 4. Or this is your wave 4 over there, and you're looking at wave 5. This wave 5 can be also an ending diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or it can be even wave 4 not finished yet. Yeah, perfect target here can still be looking for higher here, wave 4, and then wave 5 to finish inside this red box as well. So 2 possibilities, of course, we are looking both, of course, for lower, whether 1 to 1 here, or the 0.11, I would say, dollar. Very likely still, of course, that you can still be in a wave 4. Let's move a little bit closer because we see some pumps here toward the upside, but I doubt it that it is something very bullish, of course. It can be a start here for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in case we're still looking for a large ABC in a wave 4 here. Yeah, so this ABC can be extended here just like that. Okay, so ABC, but also don't forget that it doesn't show somehow like a lot of strengths honestly on FET, so it can be also finishing up also as an ending diagonal here, so we gotta be careful that it might simply continue toward the downside. So yeah, I would say it's hard to say what is going on the micro level, but what I know that on the macro level, it is of course looking still for higher. Now, because we have 3 ways down here somehow, I'm suggesting of course an ending diagonal. Now, very likely that this can still looking for higher a little bit as a small wave 4 and then pushing for lower. But if the price push for higher here, then you are looking for a bigger wave 4 again. A, B, and a C in a wave 4 and then pushing down again. By all means, of course, yes, on the micro level, you might seek a little bit for higher prices. It can be small wave, it can be bigger wave, but both case scenario will lead us at the end, of course, for one more low over there. Yep, so this is regarding FET. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.